Hey everyone, this is Stephen Casey Relpin here, and welcome to another product review. This is actually a review I've never did before on a ScaleTrains Rolling Stock. These are actually not new. These were released back in like November of 2021, so I never got to do a review on these. These are the GATC 4180 CF Airslide covered hoppers. I got two of them here. Because I did place a pre-order on these, but I decided to cancel it and then decide to save it up for like get it sometime in the future. So yeah, so I got two of them here. I got the one in the GACX blue, and this one is in the GACX, the American Maize Products Company. And also on the side note, I also picked up a couple other neat things from ScaleTrains. Like they got these shirts. So I got a t-shirt here, which is still in the packaging. And also they can give you more new interesting things like stickers, the candy. And this thing is actually very cool. I'm not sure what this is. Maybe a magnet of some sort. Who knows? And also got a hat. Because, they make these really nice merch with like the hats and all that. Hats and shirts. So I'm actually really glad they did the shirts now. And the hat is nicely done too. Because I remember back in 2018 they sold the hats, and I had the red one with the old logo on it. So, and I got this one. This is actually very nicely done. I'll show you the back side. And here's the interior. Very nicely done. So, yeah. It's very nice. So what we're going to do, I'm going to do an unboxing and a review of the Airslide covered hoppers, and let's get on with it. Alright, so what I'm going to be unboxing the blue Airslide hopper, the GACX blue, in front of you guys. So as you know, unboxing is just simple. You just unbox like this. This comes with some kind of like a parts diagram and instructions and all that stuff. So I'm going to set that aside. It opens out like this. And there it is, right here. So, as you can see, the GATX blue ones, you basically have different variations because of the road number variations. So, this is what it looks like out of the box. I'll show you guys. Very nice. Sorry, my show's in the way. Wow. Very nice. So, anyways, I'll set the rolling stock onto the tracks and we'll begin the review. Okay, so starting off this side, so what you have here, you got lots of great details, like the steps are separately applied. They're applied together. The brake wheel details nicely done. It's got the coupler cut lever. It's got the ScaleTrains coupler. I'll zoom it in so you guys can see. It's very nice. And there's the hose that is used to connect the rolling stock for brakes, and trucks are nicely done. The bearing caps do rotate when the freight car is moving. It's got lots of good detail. As you can see, it's got like builder's plate detail, lots. Very nice. Let's start with my camera. So there it is. And lots of detail. It's very nice. It's got some good detail, and as you can see on the top, it's got some see-through details. You see, very nice. I really love the see-through detail they have. And I'll show you the other side. And there's the couplers here. It's even got lots of good detail on the front end side as well. Very nice. So now I'm going to turn the car around. And you can see lots of very nice detail. Very impressed. Let's see. It's also got some really good underbody details, so I'll show you the underbody. You can see. Wow, very cool looking. You can see it's got all the valves, the everything, all that. Nice done. So yeah. So now I'll zoom in a little bit so I can show you guys the bearing caps. So you can see bearing caps do. As you can see, they do rotate when it's moving. As you can see, which is actually a really cool feature for the rivet counter line. Because I actually like this feature because, you know, basically because it makes it look like it's real and all that. And also comes with this little Ziploc baggie, which has like extra bearing caps in case they come off and all. So yeah, I gotta say, this is actually pretty much a good rolling stock and perfect rolling stock if you ever want to run them like on mixed freights or use them as buffer cars on tanker trains and all that. So yeah. Alright, so now that I unboxed the other one I have, which is basically the American Maze Products Company one, which is this one right here. And I can see they actually look very nice together. They're very nice. And also, I'll also do a little comparison with another Airslide I currently have. This is actually a different kind of one. So, as some of you guys know, you have seen this in my operating sessions. This is this car right here. This is the car I've had for a couple years now. This is actually a different sound. This is the 40x66 Airslide covered hopper. Because the difference I know from is that here I'll show you the difference, because you can see, as you can see, it has some detail steps falling off, which is kind of a bummer, but I might get new ones in the future. As you can see, by difference, this one is a lot taller compared to the 4180. And I think ScaleTrains has only done one run of the 4566 Airslides, because I'm not sure if they'll ever do like a second run of these, because they did multiple runs of the 4180s Airslides. So, which is a bit of a bummer, because I do also have a couple other Airslides, but those are like operators. But knowing the fact that they finally did the rivet counter ones, that's actually really good for ScaleTrain, so it's a really good move for them. So, yeah. So there's the 4566, which is the one I had for a while, and these are the new 4180s. And I just love the fact how this one's a bit taller. You can see. So, anyways, that's going to basically wrap it up for the review for the ScaleTrains Rivet Counter 4180 Airslide covered hoppers. So, I'll leave you guys with a little bit of a run-by of them, like a short run-by of them in action. So, and I'll see you guys next time.